Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you mobile volume button secret tricks. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see sounds and vibration. Press on this. Here you can see the option of use volume buttons to adjust. Click on it. Now you have to click on media. After clicking on media, if you accidentally pressing the side button, it won't put your phone on silent or vibrate mode. That's it. So this is the mobile volume button secret tricks. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.